Today, we're going to offer you advice on how you might put your portfolio together, and alongside this, you'll also be hearing from our students as to how they approach this task. So, Yasin, what was it that you valued about your portfolio?
So, in my portfolio I had a lot of my art, so drawings, models, a bit of sculptures that I made, but I also had other things that weren't explicitly art.
So, Sam, Ellie, can you talk a bit about the application process?
I came to Plymouth for one of the applicant days, and initially I was really nervous because I thought it would be very critical of my portfolio since I didn't do A-level art. However, it was more of a discussion about my concepts and how I came up with the ideas and why I went down the routes that I did.
No, I applied via an e-submission, so I made my own website and found everything that I needed to do on the Plymouth website. I then included key images and final pieces from my A-level work and also development work for my sketchbook to kind of show the process how I got there. I also included some extracurricular artwork, so life drawings, which I got some really good feedback on.
Please remember, we don't prioritise any subject. We would like you to put in your portfolio the things that are of meaning and of value to you. In fact, we celebrate diversity. So when you're putting your portfolios together, please ensure that what is in there is stuff that really, really means something to you. It's part of your biography. After all, the portfolio is you celebrating you. And we would like you to enjoy the process of putting that portfolio together and enjoy therefore having the conversation with us, because the portfolio is an invitation for you to join us and be part of the conversation of our community. Becca, Lucas, you put together different portfolios that we really enjoyed. Would you like to talk about those a bit?
Yeah, well, I've always been really interested in fashion and I did a textiles A-level, so my portfolio was really based on textiles and how architecture had influenced my fashion collection. That was mainly what my portfolio was about.
And Lucas, would you like to talk about your portfolio? Again, we really enjoyed the approach that you took.
I focused quite a lot on photography in my portfolio, as that was something I was really interested in school life, and some of the skills I incorporated with my photography, such as using CAD files to laser cut them, were really useful once I came to start studying here at university.
Ryan, your journey coming here was very different. Do you want to talk about that a bit?
So I took part in a local architecture competition run by the RIVA, and that has kind of informed my confidence of where I am now. And especially recently I've judged the competition that runs for the participants who take part now, so it's been a really kind of full circle.
Before I studied architecture, I did art A-level, but I also had an interest in politics and socio-economics, and I think that actually was a key driver when I was building up collages towards my portfolio. And I actually think today that collaging technique and that method I went through still influences my buildings and the structures that I create.
Here we are in the Digital Fabrication Laboratory, and as you can see, there's a whole series of kit available to you as students should you wish to study here, ranging from laser cutters to high-end 3D printers to CNC milling machines. Our 3D printers allow you to make basic quick models, which are just solid volumes, through to very sophisticated 2 to 3 part models, whereby there are scaffold elements that can be dissolved away, so you can actually start to make in one 3D print kinetic mechanical objects. Our CNC machines range from simple flatbed milling machines through to more sophisticated multi-tool millers to make more sophisticated models and topographical objects, through to an industry standard 2.4 by 1.2 flatbed machine. Our flatbed laser cutters will produce very simple templates to rather sophisticated templates to enable students to make very, very quick sketch architectural models to test ideas. Hopefully you found this session useful, but if you do need any more advice, please go to our website on the BA Architecture programme here at the University of Plymouth, where you'll find guidance notes and examples of how you might approach putting your portfolio together. Thank you.